Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Esther Mofrey. In today's video, I want to show you something that many people miss when they are analyzing. I want to keep it very simple, and I want to use different time frames because if you only depend on one time frame, that's why maybe you're missing it in this market. So this is GBP NSD, and this is our 4-hour time frame. So we would go through on this time frame and then try to see what people miss once they stick on one time frame, because different time frames will always tell you different story. So we can see very well that the market was in a consolidation for a very long time. You can see we had a consolidation there. I can put that box. That's what we have. And we can see the break of structure. You can see the market finally broke this channel. So we have break of structure. And for us, we thought this might be a retracement so that the move can continue to go down. But if you only look on 4-hour, you'll be waiting on sell opportunities to sell this market, and maybe you're thinking the market will still go down and become a downtrend. But this is it, guys. You need to understand that every chart you open, let your story not end with one time frame. Why? Because the minute you end your story with one time frame, you just have one side of the story. So you need multiple time frames, and you need all the higher time frame to support your 4-hour. So notice the market is in this channel, and this is 4-hour, and already we have BOS, we have break of structure. So I will write here BOS. So BOS, guys, means break of structure. So you need to understand that for me, that's what I can see. So if I don't move to another time frame, I will stick to my GBP NSD has broken structure, and I'm waiting for the retracement to end and continue to sell. And those people who use my 3-entry signal, all they will be using, they'll be waiting for red candle, and they will be having something like that. They'll be having a box like that, waiting for that market to break so that they can continue selling. So the problem is, once we go to daily, we might see so many things apart from just a channel. So on 4-hour, there's no pattern, there's nothing except from a channel that has been broken. So let's go to daily time frame and see what we have. On daily time frames, see the same box that we are seeing. You can see this is the same box, the same channel that we are seeing a break of structure. And this is what makes the difference. You see this week, this is the same week you're seeing the market breaking on 4-hour. So on 4-hour, there is break of structure. But on daily, there is nothing. On daily, we have a channel that has not broken structure. So you might wonder, this market might be getting rejected, and finally they will come and do what? They will break the box. So anyone who is analyzing their charts from daily perspective, that's what they want. They want this market, because it has been rejected, they want this market to break finally on the above side, the resistance, and it continue to buy. So remember, the one on 4-hour, they are convinced the market is on a downtrend, it is retracing. When you come to daily, the person looking GBP NSD on daily, they are sure that there is no break of structure, the market is on a channel, they are waiting for this market to break either way. And they can even have something like this. They may have measured this, and they know once the market is breaking, it is coming to that zone. So anyone on daily, that's what they have. Anyone on daily, that's what they have. So unless the market come down and try to break this support, for them, they are waiting the market to break on the resistance. Now let's scale down, because here we cannot say we have a double bottom, because we have so much, there's so much going on. If we try to look for a pattern, we don't even know where to begin. But can we continue going to higher time frame? So person C goes to weekly time frame. Now let's see what we have. Weekly time frame, it is evident that we might have something that we can see all of us. So this box is what everyone is seeing on the 4 hour that has been broken. On daily, there's the rejection. Let me remove it, and now we see on weekly what is happening. For me, if I come to weekly, I am seeing a double bottom or a triple. I cannot say a triple bottom, because remember, if I put this line here on the first bottom, that attempt, it has broken. So if I just concentrate on this leg, this side, let me draw it for you. If I concentrate with that side, and I concentrate with this, what do I have, guys? I have a double bottom. So on weekly time frame, now everything is more clear. I have double bottom. So on 4 hour, we have a break of structure that supports sell. On daily, we have nothing. We have the market on a channel. But on weekly, now everything is clear. I have a double bottom. Guys, if you have been listening on my double bottoms, video double tops, the first thing that you need to identify is, of course, the double bottom. And you can see how much rejection. If this candle on a weekly closes with that very long wick, closes like that, that's a very good rejection on the sellers. The sellers have been rejected. So what I do, I'll come here, and this is a possible double bottom. Why? I'll tell you in a few. So I'll come here and write possible double bottom. So I have a possible double bottom like that. Let me go to daily and make it visible. So let me make it visible on weekly. So we have that double bottom on weekly. So this double bottom on weekly, this is what we have now. A double bottom, a possible one, a possible double bottom. The only thing that now we need to know is, where is our neckline? If this is a possible double bottom, we can see very huge rejection this week. And let me give you even the measurements of the pips. This candle is how many pips? Rejections of 994 pips. So the market has been rejected way deep, like the sellers have been rejected. So if this candle closes like that, it's one way to tell us that this market might buy long term. So let's first identify our neckline. Our neckline, guys, is this position. So I'll just write there our neckline. Let me just write for you the neckline. So we have our neckline there. The next thing that you need, guys, to know is our half. Every time I tell you to trade double tops, double bottoms, you need your half, guys. There is a half. You need to work with that half. If you work with the neckline, you are lost. But if you work with the half, you can see for so long the market has not been breaking half. You can see it is evident, like the market has been trying to break that line or that zone. It has not. For how many weeks? Let's count. So this is our half, guys. That's our half. So the first 1 week, the market tried to break 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks. This is almost 2 months. The market is not able to break our half. So what happens if this week the market can only break that half? If you find that the market is breaking that, the candle closes like that, GBP NSD will officially buy to the neckline. So the market will come here to the neckline. So this is a free trade, guys. All you need to come and check is if, and that's 403 pips. I'm telling you, if the market, if this candle continue to go up and closes above this green line, how many pips to the line? Let's count. How many pips? 126, and today is on a Wednesday. So if the market closes above that green line, and the green line is our half, don't forget we have measured our half. If the candle closes our half, this is a long-term buy. Just place your buy and your take profit is to the neckline. Now, if the market breaks the neckline by weekly candle, not daily, not 4-hour, not any other time frame. By weekly candle, our next target will be this zone. So what I'm trying to teach you guys is that don't trust one time frame. Don't trust one time frame. Why? Because the minute you're on 4-hour, your mind is thinking to sell. You go to daily, your mind is confused. But once you come to weekly, you have a clear thought on what is happening. So let me tell you one thing is that you need to keep flipping your time frame. You don't rely on one time frame, you keep going to different time frames, and this is the easiest way to analyze your chart. Thank you so much, and I love you. Bye bye. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get